This is our experiment.
This is mineral sunscreen.
This has zinc and titanium dioxide in it. We're pouring minerals into the beaker. Pretend the water in this beaker is like your skin. Skin is 70% water.
See how the powder floats on the water? That's how the powder will sit on top of your skin.
Look what happens when we stick our fingers in here.
Check it out. My finger's not even getting wet.
That means when I get in the pool, my skin will be protected. So when you wear the Sunforgettable mineral sunscreen,
your skin will be protected.
Sunscreen!